Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by prioritizing legality and safety. Check federal and local regulations and whether your firearm's warranty or manufacturer allows a threaded barrel change. Once done, make sure you have a clear, well-lit bench, proper eye protection and gloves, and that the firearm is unloaded and secured. You should also have documentation of the firearm's model and serial. If there is any doubt about legality, compatibility, or skill, contact a certified gunsmith. Do not proceed on incomplete information. You assess compatibility without performing invasive work. Visually confirm barrel type and note the threading spec if marked, and take photos for a professional. Once you have these details, consult a licensed gunsmith who can interpret torque requirements, headspace concerns, and potential need for a new barrel or recoil system adjustments. A gunsmith will explain the mechanical reasons, headspace, alignment, and reliability, and handle precise machining and timing that are critical to function and safety. You finish by having the professional install and bench test the threaded barrel, including headspace verification and live fire proofing if required. Once the gunsmith confirms safe operation, follow their maintenance and torque recommendations, and keep records of the work. If you notice feeding, extraction, or accuracy problems, stop using the firearm immediately and return it to the gunsmith. Do not attempt improvised fixes. Remember, a qualified technician prevents damage, preserves safety, and ensures legal compliance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.